Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Linda Ikeji's sister Sandra Ikeji fights dirty with the caterer she contracted for wedding. Sandra Ikeji, younger sister of popular celebrity blogger Linda Ikeji, traditionally tied the knot with her boo in a lavish traditional wedding which took place on the 28th of December in Imo State. Few days after the ceremony, Sandra has taken to her social media accounts to slander the caterer she contracted for her wedding. She wrote, "At Amanda Grace Catering has the worst food ever. Run as fast as you can from this caterer. Don't book her. Sour rice, salty afang, overly salted plantain, tasteless chicken, bad service. At Amanda Grace Catering, go back to culinary or catering school. You need it. Don't be deceived by the look of her food. It is tasteless. Post and delete. Worst caterer in the East." Always good to have a backup caterer. Thank God my mom had another caterer. When I complained, she blamed her bad food on her coolers, her own coolers. Sandra was really ready to damage every good reputation of the catering service, but they replied to the post with their own part of the story. "Dear Sandra Ikeji, blocking you is the least of our worries, but I believe God will vindicate me. You even had a balance of 60k to complete, which I let go after you said it should be a bonus, which was not part of our initial agreement. I cooked all your dishes as you requested, and you even hurried me up to come to your venue as early before 12 noon. When I got to your house, your mom tasted all the dishes and packed some inside your house. There was no complaint whatsoever from her. My team and I sat at your house after displaying food in the buffet till past 5 p.m. before food was served because you started your occasion very late. Because fried rice doesn't stay long after it's been tempered with, it got sour and wasn't served, which we deeply apologize for. Every other dish was served and we carried empty coolers home. You called me the next day to say your Ashwebi girls were purging and that I should give you back your money. Who does that? What will happen to the empty coolers of food I took home? How about other guests that were served? You mean I should refund you in totality because your Ashwebi girls said they were purging and they didn't like the food? Calling me out on social media because you are famous so you spoil my growing business does not shake me. I have cooked for several couples and no one has complained that all my dishes are very horrible, as you have just said, because I refuse to refund you. Well, God is still God and he will vindicate me. Happy married life. P.S. Everybody who has tasted our food should come out and debunk this false story." Guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment, and hit on the bell button to get notification when a new story drops.